Hi, my name is Kat Turner. I am the chef and partner of Highly Likely, and today we're at our West Adams location, which is in Los Angeles. We really focus on Highly Likely being a neighborhood restaurant. We're open 7 days a week. We're open from morning till night, and we've got great food and great drink all day long. Living in LA is such an incredible gift as a chef because we have access to so many different farmers and year-round farmers markets. We're actually opening a third location in Ojai, so we're going to be even closer to farms and farmers. It's just a constant inspiration just by location. It's no secret that I absolutely love prunes as a snack and to cook with because of the way they can pair with sweet and savory, and texturally they're really luscious, and they've got this kind of like chocolatey yet savory sweet thing going on. There's a lot of umami to prunes, so I love cooking with them, and we have a really fantastic prune mostarda that we use here at the restaurant that's actually super versatile, and we use it on 3 different dishes. So the prune mostarda, you know, it's kind of in this like chutney world. It's got the sourness from some white wine vinegar, but the sweetness from prunes. We use it on our turkey sandwich. It's so good on the burger. It takes the place of a ketchup. And then with our chicken liver mousse, it's kind of a classic pairing for cured meats. So like pairing a mostarda with a chicken liver mousse is like a perfect match. Everybody should be using prunes. They're so good, and they're good for you.